Welcome back, family. It's your brother Bloss here at the SKILLSART Trading Academy. And today, we're going to go over the two biggest killers in the market, fear and greed, and how to master them. So let's get in front of a computer. Let's get started talking about this. All right, welcome back, family. Here we are at a trading station, and we're going to talk about the number one things that rule the market, okay? Fear and greed. Doesn't matter how good you are of a trader, doesn't matter how experienced you are, these things will crush any trader, okay? These are what rule the market. And we say this because of how they're utilized, how the trader utilizes them, all right? So here we're going to look at a chart, and we're going to talk about how this works. All right, so here we have our support resistances, we have wedges, we have trend lines, we have everything built out, okay? And you have your perfect setup, you have your perfect trade setup. Now, you start getting in your trade, you start seeing either your profit or your loss, and you close your trade early. Dang, I could have made more money. That's greed. Cut that out. You made profit, you won, you had a good day, okay? And you see that it keeps going in your way, so now next time that you jump into a trade, you hang on to it forever. Here's one key thing that I learned early on in the market. Never marry any trade. Doesn't matter. Good or bad, don't marry a trade. Always set a stop loss. Whether you set it manually so that the trade closes itself, or you know the area that you're going to exit this trade, okay? A rule of thumb for the fear and greed is never risk 2%. That's like the rule of thumb, 2% of your account.
If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.